Here's my boys chilling in the baby pool in the backyard. Nolan, can you say hi?
Hi.
Garrett, can you say hi?
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm playing.
You're playing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh,
We
yeah. Nolan, did you get your toy? Yeah. Nolan loves the water. Yes, he does.
Die.
Now he's got a drumstick. Gonna eat it.
Die.
Just big enough for the two of them. Well, Nolan is Garrett's size. I'm gonna have to upgrade. Say bye-bye. Yeah. Oh, now you're gonna be all cute. Yeah. Now you're gonna do something?
Mommy, what's this?
Wow.